right, guys, we're here with Kasey at the 2018 Shootout here in Ohio with his beautiful 2003 Mitsubishi Evolution. Thanks for coming out. Give us a rundown on the build.
We got a Buschur 2.3 RPM. I think they use Manley rods and probably JE pistons. It's got a full CNC head, GSC S3 cams, Precision 6870, Skunk 2 intake manifold ported by me. It's actually tuned by me. Transmission's a Buschwacker PPG dog box with synchro fifth and reverse. Transfer case is pretty much stock except for a quaife differential. And then we have diamond race car subframes on the car. It's new for this year. And got a few STM parts on there as well. The car's hooking pretty good.
Badass, man. Yeah, this car is absolutely gorgeous, man. It definitely stands out, that's for sure.
That was the goal with the main pictures, you know, we wanted to look good.
Oh yeah, it sure does. How much power does the car make?
It's a funny story, man. We was at the dyno and it was like 95 degrees at home. The humidity was really high, and I put it on the rollers and I was like on wastegate, and I was, this should make 800, and it made 699. So I come up here thinking it ain't gonna go fast. We're just gonna go up here and test the suspension, and now we're here. We were, you know, set the best pass for the car, 3/10 faster, 3 mile an hour faster than it's ever been. So it's really amazing that the car is going faster on less power.
That's awesome. What was the best pass of the day?
929 at a $155.
That's awesome. That is awesome, man. Yeah, you guys are killing it. We've been seeing the car all day, and you guys have been doing really well. What engine management is it on?
Stock ECU.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, speed density tuned by me, thanks to Tephra and all his hard work on the ECU software. You know, he does amazing things with speed density patches and stuff like that. So.
Wow, that's great, man. So I guess you guys do the work yourself as well?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's all in my shop, Dyno Time Speedworks, and I'm actually Kasey tuned on. You can find that on Instagram. So
very awesome, very awesome.
So we got an ETS turbo kit with Precision 6870. Actually, they anodized the wheel for us. If you want to check that out.
Oh yeah. I think I saw that earlier. Let's take a little peek here. Oh man, that is sick. That is awesome. Wow.
It's actually got 16-inch rotors with QuickTime Pros on it, 26-inch tall tire. It's actually got a TRE rear diff in too as well. It's a max lock. He says they lock up pretty good. So
badass, man. What was the best 60 foot in the car today?
Today was a 143.
Wow.
It's actually not a record, but you know, it's pretty close.
That's good.
So,
First time out, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
yeah.
sir. First
That's
time
awesome,
out.
man.
That's
awesome. You driving the thing too?
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
You should get it. You're definitely gonna get a driver mod shirt.
So we had 6 consecutive 9-second passes out here for the first time outing for the car with the whole new suspension on it. Really happy with the car. So
well, yeah, that's bad. You guys put on a hell of a show today, that's for sure.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. Pop the hood.
That Racing Channel official TRC app. Mount your phone and open the TRC app. A live speedometer tracks your vehicle speed during any run. Accurately log time for roll racing as it happens. Select your race type, speed or distance. Whoop some ass. Save your automatic time slip and share it with your friends, and browse an array of performance calculators suited for any application. The TRC app also provides live weather analytics for performance purposes. That Racing Channel presents the TRC app, available now for Apple and Android.